Welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be discussing about the link tag in HTML. The links tag in HTML. So we can use the links tag to link up one or two web pages together, and we can also use it for internal and external link up of pages. Yes, you can use it for internal and external link up of pages. So we just have two of them. We have the link and we have the anchor tag. So for example, let me start with the anchor tag, which the A, and then we have this. So now the anchor tag have its own attributes. The attribute, which is the href, the reference. Now this is the one of the attribute of the anchor tag. So for example, let me write a text here so that you understand better. For example, let me write Google. So now you see we have it here, Google. It stands as a link. You see, it stands as a link. So now for it, now without adding anything here to this href, by clicking on this, you can see it refresh the page automatically. But now by placing a Google link here, you understand now, this link is the link to Google. So let me click on it. Now you see it takes us down to the Google website. So now this means that we are using the anchor tag to link up either an external or internal web pages. You can use the anchor tag to link up the internal web page or an external web page. So we also have another link tag, which is the another link tag, which is link. Now let's see. So this link tag I'm about to show you is used for linking up let me say style sheets. Yes, for an external style sheet to source. Let me just say link. You see, we already have it here. Assuming we are having our style sheet, so you just link it up direct. So when we get to CSS file, we'll be able to make use of this link attributes very well. So I'm going to explain that in the next tutorial, or whenever we'll be discussing about CSS. So now with this, I believe you should be able to understand how you can link up a website, how you can link up pages and external website with your website in between your website. So now let me give you another example of this. Let me say the link, the anchor tag again. So for example, let me create another HTML. Let me say home page, no, about us, about dot html. So now I've created another HTML page. So let me start up using the boilerplate to make it faster. So this is second page. So let me say about us, So let me say what do I need to write? Let me see HTML. Sorry, let me say h1. About us. I don't want it to be a blank text. So now, how can we navigate from this index.html file to this about.html file? Now what we need to do is for us to create a link. So what do I need to do is between slash. So you can see HTML has already the Visual Studio Code has already suggested maybe we want to link in between. So this is what you need to do. Just click this about, then let me change this down here. So click this about, then let me type here and say about us. So you see we have the about us here. So now whenever I click on this about us, it's going to take us to this about us page. Let me click so you can see. Now you see about us. So we can use the href link to move between our web pages from one pages to another page, from one page to another page. So we can use it to move from one page to another page. So this is the end of today's tutorial. In this tutorial, we have been able to discuss about how we can make use of links in HTML, the links tag in HTML. So thank you very much. In the next tutorial, we'll be teaching some other things. Make sure you watch the next tutorial. Thank you.